All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Trap King, and it's 7:37 a.m. in Lagos, Nigeria. Yesterday we had a good time. And today, before I delve into what's happening today, quickly, let me show off what happened yesterday. Let me start from GBPUSD. Let me show off what happened yesterday. Yesterday was perfect. So yesterday, what happened yesterday was, let me bring my indicator in. Yesterday, what happened yesterday? It was very, very close to here, to your first target. I mean, the market came here. Excuse me. The market came here, picked us up, did this, came down, almost went a second time. I came here, this one when it was here, it came all the way down here, again a second time before it went out with stop loss. So this was a losing trade on 17 pips. It was a losing trade. Well, guess what? It's game on. You lose some, you win some. I always want you guys to have that at the back of your mind. So that was on GU. That was on GU. Now let's go and look at gold. So while GU was acting crazy, let me show you what gold did. So this was the trap on gold here. This was the initial trap on gold here. This one here, right here. Right, this one here. This one here, right? Let me take this away. Let me put this away. Let me put this just here. So this was the trap on gold here. Follow me closely. So now that this was a trap on gold here, the market broke out with this candle here. This one right here. This was a candle because it broke beneath this box, this one here. So therefore, you pull out your fib, this low, all the way to this high. I cannot make it up. The market came here, picked you where I wanted them to pick you, within here and here, any of them you took, fine. And then the market went down and gave you 55 pips. That's if you took it from that 0.5. And then if you took it from 0.62, the market would have given you 47 pips. So one win, one loss. The loss was about 17 pips. The win was about 47, 55, whichever one you took, okay? But guess what again? The market then decided to do something very interesting. And you guys already know me. When the market forms a larger trap that engulfs this previous trap, you know what happens next. So the market decided to give us a larger trap in this one here that engulfed all of them. The moment that happened, the market broke out to the upside. And then if I pull out my fib in this zone here, between 0.5 and 0.62, there you have it. Between 0.5 and 0.62, there you have it. So now that it's between 0.5 and 0.62, I call this setup this was exclusive to people, to the team in No Risk FX, no risk, exclusive to them. But for you guys that are here with me on this Zoom, if this market comes back to the entry here, you can still jump in. That is, if it comes back to the entry before it gets to this zone here. If it comes back to the entry before it gets to this zone, you can take the trade. But if it gets to this zone before it comes back to the entry, don't touch it. Okay. So that's what I have on my plate. So far for the week, we have one win, one loss. One win, one loss. And if you want to check the total pip count, it means that we've done well so far. So 47 minus 17, that's about 30 pips in the bag. And now this is what I have. So I'm trying as much as possible not to look into anything that I don't want. I don't want to force myself to look into any trade. So this is what I'm having here. This is what I'm having on this pair. This is what I'm having. If it comes back, good. If it doesn't come back, then I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. But I hope my no risk people have already gotten it. So that's that. And I wanted to look at something else. I've not looked at GJ in a while. Look at this. GJ, what exactly do you want in life? Can you kindly explain? So, GJ, this candle here, I'm interested in this candle here. And let's see. You can reach. If not, I would have said this was going to be an interesting one. So I'm interested in this candle here. Any day this market comes and it breaks out of this zone here. Any day this market comes and it breaks out of this zone here, breaks to the downside here. All right. We're going to wait for the market to build up market structure at this level and then we sell. Okay. So that's what I have. That's what I have on my plate for now. Nothing else. I mean, I saw people jumping all around the whole place. Oh, Bitcoin did this, Bitcoin did that, and then Bitcoin did this. And I was like, it's not, it didn't even move. And then look at this, what happens next. You see what they do? They manipulate the market with trades. That's all they do. They manipulate it. So if you want to fall victim, be my guest. They manipulate it. But what I want to see Bitcoin do is I want to see Bitcoin maybe around somewhere here. Continue going to the downside. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see on Bitcoin. So that's that. I don't know. I don't have anything. I don't have any other thing tonight. Or this morning, rather. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at. Let's just keep it at that. Let's keep it at that. If I see any other setup for whatever reason, I'll try as much as possible to post it for everybody this time. All right. But once in a while, okay, I post setup out. But obviously, you guys know I pay the most attention to the people that are on no risk FX. Okay. So let's keep it at that. If you have any questions, you can hit me up. I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Have a good morning.